Scarcity has a reputation problem. It's been overused, over-dramatized, over-capitalized. Only 3 spots left. Doors closing soon. Last chance. And when it's done loudly, it smells like anxiety. But real scarcity, the kind that elevates positioning, has nothing to do with countdown timers. It has everything to do with standards. Here's the shift. Scarcity is not a tactic. It's a byproduct of decision-making. High-end brands don't create urgency by pressuring the buyer. They create urgency by being selective. And selectivity feels completely different. When scarcity is elegant, it doesn't sound like, hurry. It sounds like, this is how we operate. The quiet luxury way to use urgency begins here. Capacity is defined in advance, not improvised, not adjusted mid-launch, not stretched to accommodate, defined. For example, we take on a limited number of clients per cycle to ensure depth and focus. That's not pressure, that's composure. Second, timing is positioned as structure, not threat. Instead of, doors closed tonight, it becomes, enrollment happens in defined windows so that implementation stays cohesive. See the difference? One feels reactive, the other feels deliberate. Third, and this is the most important shift, you stop trying to convince people they'll miss out, and start making it clear that not everyone is meant to step in. Scarcity that converts at a high level is rooted in discernment. You are not for everyone. Your work is not always open. Your time is not endlessly elastic. And when that's communicated calmly, urgency doesn't feel salesy. It feels logical. Buyers don't feel pushed. They feel invited into something structured. This is why urgency fails when it's layered on top of unstable positioning. If the brand feels unsure, if the offer feels negotiable, if the messaging feels eager, scarcity reads as manipulation. But when the brand feels decided, scarcity reads as standard. Inside our work, this is one of the most powerful calibrations we make. We don't add urgency. We remove excess availability. Inside our VIP one-to-one business coaching intensives, we clarify how your capacity, pricing, and cycles are structured so urgency is embedded, not bolted on. And inside the Signature program, we help you design an offer ecosystem where selectivity becomes natural. You don't need countdown timers, you need boundaries, because the quiet luxury way to use scarcity isn't louder, it's firmer. And when your brand feels firm, urgency becomes effortless.